Spin.
We're still in talks with the PBA, and we want to know also the consensus of the Board of Governors. How do we go about this, diba? Kasi we were already informed by the commissioner that they will not allow the expansion teams to direct hire from the amateur ranks. Not like before kasi mga previous expansion teams, they were allowed to hire from the amateur ranks.
Oo nga.
Pero I think for this expansion, 3 teams will not be allowed.
Oo nga. Pero anong concession ang hihingi nyo? Anong concession hihingi nyo, boss?
Wala pa siguro kasi, we just have to do with the dispersal draft coming from the Protect 12, and then yung mga veteran free agents and the rookie free agents. So, yun muna aming titignan, and then pagpasok na nung rookie draft, then we'll see kung sino na pwede namin mapick up.
Opo. Tingin niyo po ba, boss, pagka nagpa-drop si Boss Manny, may kukuha sa kanya sa mga top 10 na picks?
I don't see why not.
So, yun ang worry nyo ngayon?
Siyempre, it has come to our attention, then,
masisira plano. Pag nangyari yun, sira ang plano.
Hindi naman. Parang sabihin na talagang, the likes of Manny Pacquiao, hindi mo pwede sabihin hindi nakukunin. For whatever it's worth, it's always nice to have him in the team, di ba?
So will you be working on trading, boss, yung makapag-trade kayo sa mga unang bubunot? Is that part
we're looking at that option. Maybe after the draft we can trade, or maybe before that we can trade our picks, for certain players. Pero siyempre, matagal pa naman. We have a lot of time to do our homework. So we will just rely on the recommendation of the coaching staff. Pag nabuo na yan, siyempre, you also have to inculcate the coaching staff kung what is the team that we want to put up. Diba?
So pag siguro pag nakuha na ninyo yung dispersal draft, may skeleton na, sa kanya pa naman malalaman yung plano on whether Manny will join the draft or you work for trade or whatsoever, boss?
Basta sa amin naman, malayo pa naman yung draft, so a lot of things can still happen, diba? But syempre, inaandang namin dito, hopefully the Board of Governors will grant that special concession for Manny. I believe naman that Manny will be good for the PBA.
Anong concession ba yun, boss? Wala ka pang clear-cut idea kung ano yung posible ninyo?
No, siguro kung mayroon mang concession na higin, gano'n, napayagan na si Manny magkaroon for
Kia na diretso na.
As play coach.
Kasi ibang case naman to ng mga rookies, no? Dahil yung iba mga rookie, walang...
Saka, naman, siyempre, kumbaga yan, magkakaibigan naman lahat sa mga team owners na yan. Kumbaga, nasa sa pakiusap naman siguro yan, di ba?
Oo nga. So magdadraft na kayo, boss, ng request na yan? One of these days?
Wala pa naman, pero, siyempre, tinitingnan namin lahat ng options namin para at least we are aware of what our plans are, plan A, plan B, plan C. Diba?
Okay. What about, boss, yung negative comment ng fans when they heard of Manny playing in the PBA? Ano pong sagot ninyo doon? Parang they are belittling yung kakayahan ni Manny na maglaro.
No, kasi well, you cannot really blame these people. First of all, they have always known Manny as a boxer. But what a lot of fans don't know is that, for me, boxing for Manny, boxing is a profession.
Oo.
But basketball talaga ang first love niya.
Passion niya yun. Yan ang passion niya.
And, people don't know that, that's part of his training regimen, playing basketball. In fact, he plays more basketball than boxing, diba? Kasi halos everyday nagbabasketball yan. And not only just playing with any Tom, Dick, and Harry player, diba? Ang mga kalaro niya, mga ex-PBA players, mga PBA players that are currently playing actively. So, mga kalaro niya, mga sa D-League, diba, ganyan? Plus, Manny is also a team owner. Team owner. And he's also the coach of his own team for several years sa Liga Pilipinas, di ba?
Oo.
So siya talagang kumbaga, he has experience already of how it is to run a team, di ba? Kasi semi-pro league, so
Oo nga.
So din yung mga pick ng mga players, Cassius dito.
So ikaw confident ka, boss? Ikaw, boss, confident ka sa PBA material ni Manny?
Sa akin, pare, kasi hindi ko naman siya, pare, isusubo dyan. Wala naman ako kumpiyansa. Kung mapapahiya lang siya. Ang alam naman natin kasi si Manny, in anything that he does, he wants to be the best, di ba? Kaya sa kanya kasi, ang kanyang vision nga is, kasi nga, sabi nga ng management ng Kia, kung in 3 years time makapasok tayo sa semis, sa finals, that's good enough, di ba? Kasi if you compare that to some of the other teams, like Inertia, it took them 6 years to become conference champion, di ba? Pero si Manny kasi, iba ang kanyang pananaw. Kay Manny, if he can do it in the first year, why not, di ba? Kasi sabi niya, siyempre, kahit pa paano, pangalap pa rin yung nakataya dyan, di ba? So, hindi naman siya papayag na hindi mag-champion ng kanyang team. And we know naman how competitive Manny is, di ba?
Sino naghatag, boss, ng idea na mag-basketball siya, mag-PBA siya? Is it Kia o si Boss Manny, ikaw?
Importante ba yan?
Hindi naman, boss. Natanong ko lang. Ano, boss?
It was parang, sa akin naman, providential lahat yan, di ba? The opportunity presented itself. So, I took the opportunity.
So kayo po ang nag-advise sa kanya? Nagsabi din?
Well, you can say that I was the one who really spearheaded it.
Tapos nagkataon, andyan yung Kia, no? Boss?
Yeah. So, some of the top management kasi ng Colombian Boppers are friends of mine. We play golf together. When I was informed that they were
joining
putting up an expansion team sa PBA,
nasuggest mo sa kanila? Nabanggit mo?
Just gave them the idea.
Okay.
From that, medyo nag-snowball. So,
okay. Opo. So, boss,
paano naman kasi, it's another chapter in Manny's career, the sportsman. And sa akin naman, kasi hindi nga nakikita ng mga tao kung paano siya maglaro. Sa akin naman, he has the game then. I would not say na talagang superstar ng laro niya sa Pero may galaw yan, tsaka may sure balls
Okay. Boss, isa pa.
May sure ball yan.
Opo. Isa pa tanong, boss. Yung totoo ba na yung 3 years na contract niya, 100 million daw? Totoo ba yun?
No. So, actually, the money aspect is very material here.
Okay.
Siyempre, if I will consider talaga, how much he has to make based on his image and, using his name. Talaga malaki dapat. Pero sa amin, hindi lang natin pinag-usapan yan.
Opo.
Kung ano talaga yung kalakaran, yun dapat, di ba?
Oo nga.
Kasi hindi naman maganda rin sa si Man will be demanding a lot and be paid a lot.
Pero ano siya, level sa boss sa sweldo nila James Yap, gano'n yung 420. Kasi superstar din siya, di ba? Le-level kaya
sa akin naman, I don't want to discuss that. Pero, like I said, kung ano yung nakakaroon sa mga coach at this time, yun lang muna. Diba?
Okay.
Kasi yun na nga sa amin naman, malaki na rin pasalamat namin sa Kia na pinagkatiwala rin na si Manny, diba, sa bagay na to. That in itself is already a bonus for him, diba?
Oo nga.
Okay. Na pikit mata, sinama na si Manny, wala silang objection, wala silang expectations. Basta gusto lang na makasama si Manny, yun lang yun.
Okay.
Pero yun nga, siyempre, kilala mo naman si Champ, di ba papayag siya na gano'n lang?
Oo nga. Okay. Sige
lalaban niya na pagpukan.
Spin